how to log into www.gmail.com. sign in Gmail. So if you want to log into Gmail, first of all, obviously you can actually download the Gmail app, but if you're trying to also log in from your browser, so I'll just go to incognito for this one here. So right here you can simply go to gmail.com, and when you go to gmail.com to sign in, it's very simple. So right when you go to gmail.com, it'll give you a pop-up to sign in, which is for your Google account. So all you have to do is to simply make sure to enter it, and once done, enter your password, then click on the next option, then you'll be successfully signed into Gmail. By the way, if you have turned on two-factor authentication, you have to follow and verify it accordingly, or you can tap on the forgot password option if sometimes you happen to also forget your password. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.